Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Tesla Model 3 Performance. This one has a dual motor and is pushing out 450 horsepower and 471 pounds of torque. This one does come with LED daytime running lights, 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, nice big panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the rear. Coming around back, we've got our dual motor badging. Open up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. A 1-speed automatic transmission. Got a very big display here. By engaging it, you push in the brake and you're ready to go. We've got a rear view backup camera. This one does come with navigation, touchscreen media display, our climate zones right here, heated seats. This is our key right here, place it right here, cup holders. If you'd like to view more photos of this Tesla Model 3 Performance, check out feldmannimports.com.